Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie at Busch Gardens. We're going on the Serengeti Flyer. It's the world's tallest of its type. It's right over here to the left. We had a little rain shower blow in, but now they're opening the rides just for a little quick time. So we'll just jump right on, 5-minute wait, and we'll see you on the Flyer. Let's go. Oh no! How many times does it go? World's tallest swing ride. They always make me a little queasy. Let's see how I do on this. Hopefully good. Sun's back out. Umbrella in the bin.
Oh, I'm wearing white socks.
Please pull down on your restraint bar and secure it firmly to your body. During your ride, please remain seated facing forward.
Okay.
Arms and legs down and inside the ride.
Let's see how it goes, Becky. Oh boy. Hopefully that goes lower. Does it not go lower?
It does.
Oh, okay. Oh, it slides in. Perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
I think I'm in it.
Thank you.
Oh man, let's hope I do okay on this.
Why?
You said it's like what, 130 feet or something? How fast? 60 mile an hour? 138?
Yeah, 60. I think it's maybe 135.
135? Yeah, it's close to 140. I don't think it's 140, but that's going to be... I've been on a few of these, and usually the backward stuff, it's like this Viking swing ship. If it goes on too long, sometimes I do fine. I don't know. We'll see.
It's got way more height to a Viking ship.
Well, and way more speed.
And that.
Way more speed. I think I'm in, though. Well, we're going to find out, Becky.
It's definitely got like air room.
So hopefully it's good.
Wiggle room.
Wiggle room.
Yeah.
We're going to be flying. I think it's like face down. Oh boy. Okay. Haven't eaten much today, so should be okay. I don't always do great on backwards, but we'll see. Anticipation level's high for this.
Yeah.
For just a flat ride. So far, so good! Oh man.
Oh, snap.
Crack the box! Thank you. I couldn't have done 3 more.
That was intense.
Oh, good. I'm glad we didn't go eat.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I got to get my bearings. How you feeling?
I feel okay.
Yeah? I think I'm okay.
Just eyes are watering.
We had a long wait between rides, so I'm, let's say I'm a 4 out of 10 on queasy.
Are you?
It's definitely not 0, but it's not high. Okay, I think I can maybe figure out how to get out of this thing. There we go. All right, we'll see ya. Gotta grab our umbrellas.
Oh my God.
All right, Serengeti Flyer. What'd you think, Becky?
I had a great ride. Definitely, as they say, the world's tallest of its kind. Had great speed as well. It was definitely a little nerve-wracking there at like the top, where you're like, you go airborne.
Oh Oh, yeah.
And then when you come back, of course, you're looking straight down. But yeah, had a really good ride.
It's got a lot of speed, so I'll turn around just for a second so you can see it's not even revved up yet. But oh man, when that thing pushes you, it's fast. You get all the way off. You almost feel like you're upside down. You're not, but you're definitely like beyond 90 for sure. And it's just got good pacing all around. So I usually don't do great on backwards stuff over and over. I'm okay though. It really was pretty smooth for as big and as fast as it was, and I had a nice ride on it. So all right, we're gonna wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. This is probably one of just a few flat rides they have. We'll probably do the carousel too. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers. Boy, it's getting hot. It's back to 90 and it just rained, so we got a muggy. So I think we're gonna go cold drink something to eat, and we'll see you all soon in the next video. Bye everybody.